Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack and, of course, my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. Of course, we're not traveling. We're in the kitchen, so the apron says. Trying out a new dish that I got from a big old recipe book that I found in a box. It's one of those keto recipe books. Now, no, I'm not on the keto diet, but there are some pretty cool recipes. So what are we trying to make tonight? Well, let me take you over here and show it to you. It's this. It says it's pan-seared chicken with balsamic cream sauce, mushrooms, and onions. There are my mushrooms that I have. Here's my most important ingredient. I got some Chardonnay wine. Yeah, that's right. It's going to be good with this. And how have we started off the dish? Well, we're caramelizing some onions. And keto style says you do it in pure butter, and that's what I'm doing. And I've got some more butter cooking right over here. Over here, I've got an organic chicken breast that we're going to be putting in the butter to cook. Everything's better with butter. Normally I don't do this. I usually use olive oil, a little healthier, but this looked really good. So here we go. Let's put our chicken in. Let me try and grab it. This is so hard to do with one hand. Oh, look at this. Up close action video. And there we go. And it says we're going to brown that chicken for just a little while, just a few minutes, while we're caramelizing our onions. We've also got some organic chicken stock. We got mushrooms. We got some salt and pepper. It seems like a pretty easy recipe. So stick around. Let's see how it goes as we enter stage 2, then stage 3, stage 4. I don't know how many stages it's going to be, but we're going to find out if it's good. So stick around. We're back. Quick update for you. We've now got the onions almost caramelized. That's the key here. We're caramelizing the onions. We've browned one side of our chicken. Not golden brown yet, but we're getting there. And I forgot to mention a couple of the other ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some chicken stock. Now, I prefer organic, low-sodium chicken stock. We're going to have that. We're also going to need some heavy whipping cream. Once again, organic, heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper, and then we're going to need a good quality balsamic vinegar. This is balsamic vinegar of Modena. Sounds good. I know it's good. So, take a time out. That was stage 2. We're almost ready for stage 3, but I got to get organized, and then I'll show you what's involved in stage 3. But if you followed me so far, I hope so. Stick around. Okay, I forgot another item you're going to need for your shopping list. That's some Parmesan cheese. Now, I like this from Trader Joe's. This is actually a Parmesan, Romano, and Assaggio cheeses that we'll be adding later. That's going to be kind of the end thing, though. Now, take a look here. Our chicken is browned up nicely. Now, it's not completely done, but what we're going to do is we're going to take it off now because we're going to finish cooking it in a minute. Now, next up, we're going to add our chicken stock. There we go. Ooh, it's called deglazing. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. So we're going to deglaze with our chicken stock for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. So you're going to want to stick around for that. Incidentally, those caramelized onions are looking really, really good. My stove, though, is a mess. Lots of splatter with this, but we'll be cleaning it up after we eat. But we're getting close, so stick around. Let's see how this turns out. Hey, we're back. We have deglazed our black skillet where we had, of course, we had the chicken broth, and it looks really, really good, doesn't it? Now, next up, I'm told we add the whipping cream. Now, the recipe calls for a cup, but we're only making this for 1, so we're not going to add that much. So I'm going to come over here. I've got a little 1/3 cup measuring dealie here. I'm probably going to end up adding a couple of these. So here we go. Let's add this. There's 1. Yeah, I think we're going to need another one. So hopefully you can see this. You know the thing about the Food Network? They have a camera crew, and they cook with 2 hands. I'm cooking with 1 hand. You should tell your friends, tell your neighbors, subscribe to watch this guy cook with 1 hand. It's pretty freaking amazing if you ask me. So here we go. Now, there's our cream. So we've got 2/3 of a cup with our deglazed chicken stock with the chicken that was at the bottom, right? Okay, you got me there? Now, next up, I got to go back over. I'm doing this. I've never made this before, so let's read the recipe together. Deglaze the pan with the stock, use a rubber spatula. Okay, we did that. Reduce heat, add the cream, vinegar, mushrooms, a little salt and pepper. Okay, So we got to add a little bit of our balsamic vinegar. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to, what do you think? I think that's enough. Oh, probably tastes pretty good. Now, we'll give that a stir. I kind of like the color that we're getting here. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, it's thickening up, nice and rich. Now, oh, we got to add the mushrooms. Yeah, the mushrooms. So here's the mushrooms. And here they go. Again, one-handed. Whew, boy. How's that for action TV? Now, you know what you know what we forgot? We got to put the salt and pepper in. So here we go. We got our sea salt. A little more. Okay, now we got to add some black pepper. Okay. Now I forgot. Do I add the chicken back now? I don't know. Let's go look at the instructions. Okay, reduce the heat, add the cream, the vinegar, the mushrooms, a little salt and pepper, simmer for 10 minutes till the mushrooms are tender and sauce is reduced by a third. Then add the chicken back. Oh, we're not adding the chicken back yet. So let's see how this is looking. Oh, that looks pretty. Looky there. Oh, I just splashed something over on the scale. Crap, it's going everywhere. You gotta turn it up. Oh, you might be asking, well, what's my side dish gonna be? I love broccoli. So I've got some frozen organic broccoli. You're saying frozen organic broccoli? It's actually pretty good. Here it is. All I'm gonna do is put a little salt and pepper on this, and then I'll pop it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. It's steamed broccoli, and that's gonna be really good with our chicken dish. So we're almost there. So stick around, and I think we'll be showing you the finished product in a few minutes, okay? Because the deal is, okay, the mushrooms, the cream sauce is cooking now, okay? Here's our chicken. We'll add it later, and it says we're going to probably cook it 10 to 15 minutes until it's nice and done, okay? So stick around. This is looking and sounding good. Hey, y'all, it's me again, and guess what? The mushrooms are looking really good in our cream sauce. So now we're going to add our chicken back. And basically, it's going to cook about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, the caramelized onions are on standby. And my understanding is, once the chicken's done, then we'll dump the caramelized onions in, and we'll be ready to serve it and eat it. So far, so good. Oh yeah, I forgot. It says we need to top it with that Parmesan cheese combo that I came up with. I'm not going to do a lot. I don't know. I'm not big about cheese on chicken, but I don't know. They say it's pretty good, so we'll find out. Again, this is keto friendly. Whew, I don't know. Milk, cream, butter. No, there wasn't any milk. It was just whipping cream and butter. I don't know. I know it's going to taste good, though. It is always that way. The stuff that's less healthy for you always tastes good. But then again, they say keto is healthy for you. Also, another thing, I have got to get a haircut. Good Lord, look at this. It's getting really long. Okay, I digress. But anyway, so stick around. We're going to show you the final product here in just a couple of minutes. Or, you know, it's going to cook for 10 or 15 minutes. But it'll be it'll be almost instantaneous when you see it again. That's right, because I edit these together so you'll go, wow, it's already done. And that's the deal with the Food Network, you know. You think they get that stuff done in 5 minutes. No, 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 no. It's like what I'm doing here. We started on this like 4 hours ago. No, we didn't. Not really. Total time's probably going to be about 40 minutes. So stick around for the finished product of our chicken mushroom balsamic cream sauce. We're back. And I'm going to tell you, I tasted the sauce. It is absolutely awesome. We're in the final stages now. Our chicken is now nice and done and cooked. So we take it off and we plate it. Next up, remember our caramelized onions over here? Well, somehow or another, with one hand, I've got to get those over in our sauce. Let's see if I can do this. Wow. I have no idea what the camera looks like while I'm doing this. Hopefully it looks okay. So there we go. Again, I need a camera crew. All right, so that's done. Now, we add our caramelized onions, and it says we should add a little bit of this, our Parmesan cheese. It's going to make it bare to clean, but that's okay. So there we go. We're going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there, and we're going to give it a swirl. and kind of let it get all melty. This looks good. I think it's going to be delicious. Here we go. We're continuing to give it a nice swirl. Look, the cheese is melting in there. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so freaking delicious. Okay, now I'm going to turn the heat off. Keep stirring. Oh gosh. Look at this. Friends, this is awesome. In fact, take a look. Here we go. Oh wow. This is the sauce. I mean, the chicken's going to be good, but the sauce is what's going to make it. Oh man. Oh man, that is good. Okay, so the next step is going to be to get the sauce over the top of the chicken. I can't do that one-hander with that heavy black skillet, so stick around. I'll show you what the final dish looks like, okay? So stick around. OMG. Oh my gosh. This dish is awesome. We tried the sauce. I've now got it plated for you. There's what it looks like. Chicken breast covered in this mushroom cream balsamic sauce. There's our side of steamed broccoli. OMG, this is gonna be awesome. I hope you paid attention. I hope you make it. It's worth the wait. And oh yeah, you know what else we gotta have, right? Where is it? Yep, gotta have some white wine with it. I've got Beringer Main and Vine Chardonnay. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful and wonderful. I'd love to keep talking to you guys, but you know what? I'm ready to go eat. So thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Please, please subscribe. Please ask other people to subscribe. We're getting close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. That's what we need to get advertisers so I can quit that other job I have. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Check out my podcast if you've had loss, things like that, The Jack Church Show. And you know what we always say, make it a great day, a better tomorrow, and don't you stop watching till you watch the closing credits, okay? Bye now.